Hi guys, today I am telling you why quality assurance and quality control is very important any industry or any food sector. Okay, so quality control is a set of activities. Okay, its main aim is to detect the defect and eliminating it and improve the product. The main function of quality control. Quality control is a set of activities for ensuring the quality in product. The activities focus on identifying the defect in the actual product produced. That's mean quality control. Okay, so quality assurance. Quality assurance is a set of activities for ensuring quality control, the process by which products are developed. Mainly, quality assurance is a managerial tool. Okay, it aims to prevent the all defect and all defect that is happened during storage, processing, distribution, everything, where any problem by any contamination is arise. So it cannot identify. It can also prevent through quality control. If quality control is work,